Hello friends, welcome back. In the last video, we saw how to post requests to carry extra information in the form of a JSON object along with the request we send to our server. This is the best way to add information to our request, but there are several other ways to do so as well. Express also allows us to use URL parameters like we did it for frontend. And this is useful in many cases. For example, if we want a given user data from the backend, we will make a get request. So let's do it. Let's to a get request, and then we can call localhost 8000 users slash and whatever the ID it is, let's say 1234. Now if you want to load a data of a given article from the backend, we can make a get request, and let's say we can say articles slash and the name of the article, learn React, okay, or whatever the name of the article it is. Now let's look at the example and see how it is done. So let's go to VS Code and let's use the same example we have used in the last video. We will simply return a hello message with the name that we pass to append to it. Basically, we want to send a get request. In this case, we can use post request, but we will use get here. We will send it to the endpoint, which is slash hello and the name like Samir, okay? And the response we want to get is hello and then the name after it. Just we did it before with the request body. So to do this, let's define a new route. So here I will say app dot get, and the endpoint will be slash hello slash colon name, and then for the callback function it will be same like request response, and this will be an arrow function, and here we need to write response dot send, and here we need a backtick key, then hello, a dollar sign, curly braces, and here instead of request dot body we will say request dot params dot name. Let's save this file and let's go to Postman, and here let me remove this, and here I'll say hello and slash then the name, okay, and this should be a get request, and then we can click on send. Okay, one second, let me check the terminal. So this is not running, so let me clear this out, and here we will do npm run server. Make sure that it is running, okay, the application is running. So server started at port 8000. Now let's click on send. So as you can see, we got the response as hello Samir. So this is how we can get a response using params. Okay, so let's go to VS Code. Let me close this. So this time we have used request.params, but in the last lecture we have used request.body. Okay, so this is also one way of getting the response. So this is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye.